going on, everybody? Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Rain is coming down. Sitting under here in the hammock. I don't know if this is picking up anything. The camera can pick this up or not, but man, it's beautiful. I got that big old fire still going out there. And I'll tell you what, this is really pretty. This is really, really nice. Sitting in my hammock and just listening to it rain. Makes me think of my buddy Sandy from across the pond, Jacklar. Sandy loves to lay in his hammock when it rains. Thank you, Sandy. Yep. This is mighty cool. I just wanted to check in quick, but yeah, we got a real nice rain shower coming down here, and like I said, fire is still just roaring. And I'm sitting in my hammock. This is just beautiful. So, I'll get back with you.